Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be finding the surface area and volume of prisms. Coming up. Jason has been experimenting with different shapes to build a storage container for compost in his garden. Help Jason find the total volume and surface area of the following shapes. To calculate the volume, we're going to do the cross section times the height. The cross section in this particular prism is a right angle triangle. We have a length of 2 meters, a width of 2 meters and a height of 1 meter. Now the area of the cross section, in this case a right angle triangle, formula for the area of a right angle triangle is base times height divided by 2. Since we know the base is 2 meters and the height is 2 meters, we can use that to substitute into the formula. 2 meters times 2 meters divided by 2. The 2 cancels out. We're left with m times 2m, which gives us a total of 2 meters squared. Remember the units of measure. Remember m times m gives us m squared. So 2 meters squared. Now the cross section times the height will give us a total volume. In this case, we get 2 meters squared times 1 meter, which gives us 2 meters cubed. In order to find the surface area, we're going to draw the net of this triangular prism. As you can see, as the net opens up, we have 5 faces of this triangular prism. We're going to calculate each face and then we're going to add all the faces together. We already have the area of the triangle, which is 2 meters squared. So that's 2 meters squared there and 2 meters squared there. We can work out the area of this lateral face as it's 1 meter by 2 meters, which gives us 2 meters squared. This lateral surface gives us 2 meters squared. And the final one is 3 meters by 1 meter, which gives us 3 meters squared. We now need to add up all the faces to find the total surface area. That gives us a total of 11 meters squared. So we have a total surface area of 11 meters squared. So if we had to paint this triangular prism, we will need 11 square meters of paint or weatherproofing. In order to find the volume of this prism, we need to find the area of the cross section, which is this part here, and we need to multiply it by the height. So we need to multiply it by the height of the prism. So note that the trapezoid has parallel sides. These two lengths are parallel. The area of a trapezoid is A plus B, the two parallel sides, divided by 2 times by the height. Now, we're not referring to this height, we're referring to the perpendicular height for the trapezoid. A has a length of 2 meters, B has a length of 8 meters, and the perpendicular height is 4 meters. So, the area of the cross section is 2 plus 8 meters divided by 2 times by the 4 meters perpendicular height. So we have 10 meters over 2 times by 4 meters gives us 5 meters times by 4 meters, which gives us 20 meters squared. In order to find the total volume, we need to multiply it by the height, okay, which is 5 meters. So we have 20 meters squared times by 5 meters, which gives us a total of 100 meters cubed. So this prism has a total volume of 100 cubic meters. In order to find the total surface area, we need to find the area of each face and add it together. So let's look at the net of this prism. As you can see from the net of the trapezoidal prism, there are 4 lateral surfaces and the 2 trapezoids. So total surface area, we're going to calculate the area of each face and then we're going to add all of the areas up together. Pause the video here and try working out the surface area for yourself. So if we start from the middle, we have 5 meters by 8 meters, which gives us 40 meters squared. We already have the trapezoid from the volume in part 1, which was 20 meters squared, and this is the same as this trapezoid, which is again 20 meters squared. Then if you look at the small lateral surface here, this small rectangle, you have 5 meters by 2 meters, which gives us 10 meters squared. And then finally the two square blue faces. So you have 5 by 5, which gives us 25 meters squared, and then this one is exactly the same, 25 meters squared. Now we need to add up all of the faces, which gives us a total of 140 meters squared. So for a trapezoidal prism like this, Jason would need 140 meters squared of paint or weatherproofing. Now compare that to the cube in video 1, I'll link up here. Write in the comment section below what you think will be the best shape for Jason to build. I hope you like this video. Drop me a like, subscribe, and make sure you watch part 3 in the series where I go over finding the volume and surface area of cylinders. See you in the next one.